Thankfully, everyone was safe after the incident. Nature is always full of surprises. A rising river alone can be enough to challenge the experience of those navigating the water. Many people wonder whether this was just a rare coincidence or a common behavior among whales.
Oh my God.
This man was truly lucky. A split second later, everything could have turned out completely differently. Nature never stops surprising us. Hidden beneath its unusual appearance is an incredible mind. Octopuses are far more intelligent than we once believed. Inspecting grilling equipment and using it properly can help reduce the risk of fires or unexpected sparks. When a fire or explosion occurs on a chemical tanker, the danger comes not only from flames and smoke, but also from toxic releases, further explosions, and possible marine pollution.
His tail. Now he's hiding here underneath the boat.
Have you ever seen a sea lion thrown into the air? This moment in Alaska shows that killer whales are not only powerful, but also incredibly precise when taking advantage of an opportunity.
Ah! Whoa! Tiger shark! Tiger shark ran me. Holy.
The moment on the Greek coastline is a reminder that the beauty of the ocean always comes with forces that humans must respect. Two cargo ships heading toward each other show that at sea, maintaining distance and monitoring movement direction are always critical factors. Within just a few minutes, a peaceful vacation scene turned into a rushed evacuation because of extreme weather.
Don't open it.
If you have ever eaten on a beach, you probably understand this feeling. For those who chase giant waves, the line between excitement and danger can sometimes be only seconds apart. Experience and the ability to react quickly are extremely important when facing powerful and unexpected waves. I'm really curious, does that deserve a perfect 10, in your opinion? A decision to wait instead of trying to pass can make the difference between safety and a dangerous fall. Have you ever imagined a massive ship becoming a home for thousands of marine creatures after being intentionally sunk?
Puta, si no saben hacer, deben irse a su casa. Mira este cabrón lo que está haciendo. ¡Mira! ¡Qué alcahuetes, carajo! ¡Mira!
Don't let the calm atmosphere fool you. Jet blast from aircraft can create extremely powerful forces. Always stay away from the area behind engines to remain safe. The landslide at the beach is a reminder that even breathtaking landscapes can hide unexpected dangers. The blue glow comes from bioluminescence. When millions of organisms light up at the same time, the entire ocean looks like an underwater galaxy. Why are divers afraid of this creature? Do you know what species it is? Water near dams is extremely dangerous even for experienced people. Strong currents, whirlpools, and sudden changes in water flow can happen within seconds. Respecting weather conditions and avoiding operating boats beyond safe limits are essential factors in maritime safety.
The second pair that I bought her then.
You call it a walk on the beach, but the wave looks like it came over to say hello.
Oh my God, I look at it. Oh! You alright? Run!
Not every day do beachgoers witness a military hovercraft appearing right in front of them on the sand. In Alaska, ships are brought onto land using specialized systems that require extremely high precision. In Southampton, New York, bunker fish migrate toward warmer southern waters during fall, and winter then return north during spring and summer. On January 15th, a tsunami warning was issued along the California coastline following the underwater volcanic eruption near Tonga. A witness said he had never seen waves this frightening before.
Hello world, we are surviving the tsunami. Out here in Pacifica, I can tell you it is happening.
What would you do if you were swimming at the beach and saw a massive waterspout forming near the shore? For visitors in Destin, this moment was both spectacular and a reason to stay cautious.
By East Jetties.
How do you examine a giant python weighing more than 110 pounds and measuring over 14 feet long? Can you imagine a male moose getting trapped on a swing set? In Tacoma, this unusual situation required police officers to step in and help rescue it.
Slowly working, Jack.
You alright? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
When traveling through mountain areas after heavy rain or unstable weather, watch for warning signs such as falling rocks, ground cracks, muddy water, or unusual sounds from the slope.
Más allá, señores, por favor.
The incident highlights that checking equipment and following safety procedures are essential on construction sites. Did you know that changes in water levels or containers stacked too high can significantly reduce the safe clearance beneath a bridge? I'm truly surprised by the duck crossing route in Krasnodar. What happens when a large cargo ship loses control near a bridge? A single collision with a barrier can be enough to attract everyone's attention. A few minutes checking the weather forecast can sometimes help prevent many unexpected risks. Extreme weather events are becoming a clear warning of the consequences that humanity may face in the future.
हम कहीं भी आए रामचंद्र करते रहे।
She may have used up an entire year of luck during nature's sudden and powerful transformation. We cannot control nature, but we can always choose to put safety first. From an unexpected incident, the entire fuel storage area suddenly became a clear warning. Just one weakness in safety systems can allow danger to spread rapidly.
Fire.
Powerful winds reaching level 10 combined with intense hail created a scene that left many people stunned. Do you think the damage could have been reduced if weather information had been updated earlier? On June 1st, severe thunderstorms swept through Denver, USA, bringing large hail, strong winds, and the possibility of brief tornadoes. At Waimea Bay, large rocks rolled onto Kamehameha Highway, forcing the road to close temporarily for safety. Simply staying indoors during severe weather can help you avoid many unnecessary dangers. The entire mountainside collapsed within seconds, showing the precision of controlled blasting techniques and strict safety procedures. After experiencing repeated earthquakes, many people develop an instinctive response. The moment they feel even the slightest tremor, their survival instincts immediately tell them to move to safety. A bridge in the town of Utuado, Puerto Rico, suddenly collapsed as Hurricane Fiona struck the island on September 18th, revealing the devastating force of nature. I'm curious, where are you watching from, and does nature ever get this intense where you live? Supercells are the most intense type of thunderstorm. They can last for hours and produce large, hail-destructive winds, flash floods, and dangerous tornadoes. Be honest. Where are you watching this? What device are you using? And what's it like outside right now? Which do you think is more dangerous, the force of the current or the debris being carried by the water? Be honest, did you catch it on the first watch? In a familiar setting, sudden vibrations remind us that nature can change everything in an instant. Tell me your city, and is the sky peaceful or unpredictable right now? Even modern cities sometimes have no choice but to yield to the power of nature. Nature is constantly changing beneath the surface, and sometimes the smallest movements create the greatest consequences.
We made it. They're alive. The bus is okay.
La gallina corre para allá y corre para acá y ahora aquí. La verdad que en el paso debe estar saliendo el río.
Que después le pause y vuelves a pasar.
When the sea turns violent, every wave becomes more than just water. It becomes an enormous wall of energy crashing toward the shore. In Florida, encounters with wildlife can happen right in people's own backyards. I'm curious, does your area experience encounters like this often?
Coming out, make the door.
Snaking at home in Namble. As we started opening in, here he is. That's funny. Hey mate, what are you doing? He's like, oh, what? Oh, Dan's found me. He was at the front door last night and the homeowner pushed him out with a broom and now here he is trying to get into the bathtub.
Can you believe that even a festival with more than a century of history can still face accidents if safety rules are ignored? Gas stations must follow strict inspection procedures to detect leaks, maintain safety equipment, and reduce the risk of incidents. What device are you using to hear this sound clearly? The scene outside Three Rivers store is a reminder that tornadoes don't have to be massive to create serious risks.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. It's alright.
There it is!
Imagine this, filming y lo levantas.